Hi, I'm Joe.
And I'm Ashley.
And we run the Instagram page 2 Guys 1 Allotment, which is dedicated to documenting our allotment journey. We took on a really overgrown patch at an allotment site in Stockport about almost a year ago, and we've gradually been improving it bit by bit. In this video testimony, Ashley, who's our head builder and project planner, is going to talk you through how the project was. Ashley, over to you.
Now, it's been a few weeks since we did our Unduline project and the roofing has held up brilliantly. We've had driving wind and rain to test it out, and as you can see, it's held up beautifully. Now, the build itself was really straightforward. The vast majority of the work was in taking the old roofing that had rotten through off, whereas putting this on was easy as pie.
The great thing about Unduline's roofing kits is that they send you everything that you need, including the screws and fittings, these bits here which go on the edge, and this bit here which goes on the top. The result is a really handsome shed, and in fact, me and Ashley know this for a fact, that it is the envy of the plot. So there you have it, our Unduline video testimony. We would give the whole thing about a 9.5 out of 10.
And we've even got some leftovers. Look at that.
Bye for now.